light didn't do fare too well. It's almost like whiteout conditions. Damn. See that light flapping there? That thing's ready to come down. That's on a big aluminum pole. Wow. That's a blizzard. I remember the blizzard of '78. I was a kid, but it was kind of like this. Like 2.5 feet of snow, but it just, back then they didn't have the technology they have today. They can't forecast a storm a week in advance. We lost power. Ooh, man. This is all night into tomorrow. Oh man, the snowblower's gonna work overtime.